To allow your phone to sync Wi-Fi info over Wi-Fi only in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap Wi-Fi. Next, tap more icon or three vertical dot icon at the top right, and then select advanced setting. Tap sync with Samsung Cloud. Tap sync using, and then select Wi-Fi only. By choosing the setting, now your phone will sync your saved Wi-Fi network's information to Samsung Cloud by using Wi-Fi network connection only. It'd be better to choose this option if you just have limited data plan to avoid additional charge. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.